Hey Castle Hive folks, so this is a little bit of a non-Hive related video. I also reload and I got a LEE APP press and some shell holders and the automation kit here, so I was going to unbox it and just show everyone the LEE APP press. So shell holders that I got here are the number 2, number 4, and 19, so I'll be able to reload my 9mm 223 and 308. So that's awesome. Let's look at the APP press. So this is unboxing. Oh man. First unboxing. We got complete instructions. Very handy. I'll have to go through that. Oh, here we go. So, here it is. The LEE APP. This is going to make a handy tool. So, basically, this thing is a processor. So, I'm going to set this up. And I normally deprime. I have a Loadmaster, and I normally deprime on it, and then I process my shells and just go about things. So this will make things a lot faster. Here. There we go. This here attaches onto the bottom. Catches all our primers. And then also what I got was the automation kit. So we got more instructions for the APP press, but automation kit. Of tools and parts here. So I'm going to have to read up on this a little bit, but it has the slides. We got another bin. So once I get this press going and I'll do a assembly on it, then I'll show you all. But this is just the initial unboxing of the APP. I know this is brand new from LEE. Looks great. I can't wait to get this thing going. So again, there we go. LEE APP press.